Sixth class, this is your science lecture. So open your books. Students, in previous lecture we have discussed in detail the process of digestion that occurs in our body, and in that lecture we have talked about different parts that are involved in our digestive system. That part can include our mouth, then esophagus, next stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and each organ different different things are carried out to digest the food. And today our topic is enzymes, and you have learned this name in the previous lecture during the digestion, and you have learned that different enzymes are involved in the digestion, like amylase, protease, high carbohydrates. So in this lecture we will learn that what are enzymes and why they are needed, how they will work in our body. So first of all, enzymes are biological catalyst. And what is catalyst? Catalyst is basically a thing that increase the reaction rate. This means they speed up the chemical reaction but are not broken down or changed by it. It is a biological catalyst and it is used to speed up the reaction, but it does not change itself. They lower the amount of energy required for a chemical reaction to take place. Students, how it will speed up the chemical reaction? So it will speed up the chemical reaction by lowering the energy. And you know that by doing any experiment, by carried out any reaction, energy is required, and enzyme lower this required energy, and in this way it catalyzes the reaction. Enzymes break down large food molecules into smaller ones. In previous lecture, digestion, enzymes are needed because it breaks down small food particles into large food particles into small one. Like it breaks down carbohydrates in sugar, proteins in amino acids, fats in fatty acids, and cholesterol. So this is involved in the digestion. Enzymes have strange names, but usually an enzyme's names give you a clue about what it does. Different enzymes have different names, and about names it can be recognized that what is the function of that special enzyme. For example, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is an enzyme, and from names it is shown that it is used in the digestion of carbohydrates. And the enzymes that are involved in the digestion of carbohydrates are called amylase. Amylase break down starch into simple sugars like this. For example, amylase is an enzyme that digests carbohydrates. It means it break down carbohydrates into glucose. This is the structure of carbohydrates or starch. This is the major molecule or large molecule because it is composed of small tiny molecules like glucose. Glucose are small molecules and they join together to make a large molecules that is called starch or carbohydrates. Amylase is an enzyme that acts on these large molecules and break down these large molecules into smaller ones. So carbohydrates break down and free glucose are get. So glucose are break down by the help of an enzyme that is called amylase. So amylase digests the carbohydrates. In the same way, protease is an enzyme that breaks down protein into amino acid. Lipase is an enzyme that breaks down lipids into fatty acids and cholesterol. When lipase acts on lipids, the lipids are break down and we will get free as fatty acids and cholesterol like the glucose. So these are the different types of enzymes that are present in our body and that are involved in the digestion. Next topic is what affects enzymes. Means कि enzymes को क्या चीज़ affect करती है. First one is temperature. Temperature affects the enzymes. When we will increase the temperature of an enzyme, the activity of an enzyme will increase. It's mean at high temperature, the reaction will speed up more speedily done, because at high temperature the enzymes activity increased, and when the temperature is lower, the enzymes activities become slow and the reaction rate takes much time. Acidity. When solution acidity is increased, the speed of the activity of enzymes also increased, but when the acidity decrease, the enzymes activity decrease and it will lower the chemical reaction. So these are the two facts that affect the enzymes activity. One is temperature and second one is acidity. Let's do an experiment that how temperature affects an enzyme. First of all, we will take two test tubes. In first test tube we will put saliva, and in second test tube we will put the starch solution. First beaker, in first it will both test tube put in ice, second put in normal water, whose temperature is 37 centigrade, and in third beaker we will take water in a beaker and boil this water. It's mean in third procedure two test tubes are present in boiling water. In first ice is present, second normal water is present, and third boiling water is present. It's mean here temperature is low, here temperature is normal, and here temperature is increased, high temperature is present. After 5 minutes, the saliva and starch solution is each beaker are mixed together. Both these solutions mixed together after 5 minutes. Every minute, a sample is taken from each test tube and added to iodine on a spouting tile. After, when we will mix both these solutions, we will take this solution with the help of dropper and put this in the spouting tile, and next we will do iodine test. And you know that iodine test is used for starch. When we will do iodine test, we will check that the drops that we have taken from beaker number 3, this is 2 and 1, will do positive test, will do good positive test, and beaker number 2 give iodine test normally. Means some solutions give iodine test positive and some give iodine test negative, but the solution, the drops that we have taken from the beaker number 1 will not give iodine test. It shows that at high temperature the enzymes activity increased, and at high temperature the enzymes break down the carbohydrates into glucose. So this is the temperature effects on the enzyme. Yes students, this is our today's lecture in which we have discussed about enzymes, different enzymes that are basically enzymes are the biological catalysts that increase our increased chemical reactions rate that are occurring in our body. Different kinds of enzymes are present in our body that are amylase, protease and carbohydrates. These are enzymes basically involved in the process of digestion and break down the large molecules into small molecules like carbohydrates into sugar, proteins into amino acid and lipids into glycerol or fatty acids. Next, what affects enzymes? And we have learned that two things affect the enzyme's activity. One is temperature and one is next we have done an experiment in which we will check that temperature will affect an enzyme's activity, and at high temperature enzyme's activity increased and at lower temperature enzyme activity decreased. So read this carefully and learn it. Thank you.